Now let's learn the sound O, quite long sound. This is one of my favorite sounds. I really like it a lot. And I like the words that have the sound O. It's a long vowel sound. To make this sound, round your lips strongly. O, strongly. More lips rounding than O. 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 And then hold the sound quite longer than in the sound O. Now let's first look at the physical production of the sound.
Horse.
Horse.
Or.
O. O. O.
Order.
Order.
Horse.
Horse.
More.
More. Now let's look at the spelling, the sound spelling or the sound production from English language letters, the alphabets that constitute the O sound. Now the O sound, we have OR. If you have letters OR in a word, then the pronunciation is O, like bone, corner, 40, horse, short, and sword. Now, when you say corner, that is actually non-native pronunciation. The best is to say corner, the sound O, corner. Also, when we have AL letters, AL produce the sound O, like all, ball, call, fall, tall, and walk. How about AW? AW as well produce the sound O, like so and draw. Another sound production letters are O, U, R, like number 4 and your as possessive pronoun. Your number 4. Your seat is number 4. Another sound production letters are double OR. When we have double OR, like door and floor, these are the production of the sound O. English language sounds are inconsistent. They are the most difficult part of the language. Is just we have to learn them.